Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Guys, in front of your screen right now you can see Epson L3111 ink tank printer, and you can see there is an error right now in the printer. The both lights are flashing. The printer is not in ready state now. This error is actually from inkpad. The inkpad is full behind of that corner. There is one sponge that became full, and actually the memory is showing that inkpad is full. So we will reset it to continue the printing again. As you can see in front of your screen, in our computer the message is showing a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life. Please contact Epson support. This is the error actually, so we will reset the ink pad with adjustment program, and the adjustment program download link you can find in the description. Welcome to Smart Tech, guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and now watch the complete video to know how to reset the ink pad. I will first run the utility that we have in my pen drive. Okay, let's see. This is the name is 3150, and this will work with 3111 also. We will see now either it's working or not. I will run it as administrator. Okay, now we will select the model number. Okay guys, I will select from here 3110. okay, the same will work with 3111, so we will select 3110 port auto selection. To know it's working or not, what I will do, I will click on particular adjustment mode. Now I will go to waste ink pad counter, press OK. So now if I want to know is it this 3110 is compatible with 3111 or not, I will click on these both options. We'll check it and check first the counter point till what percentage. Okay, look, it's successfully diagnosed it that the 100% is main pad counter is full. So it means that the same adjustment program we can use it with 3111, Epson 3111 also. So now I will select again here and I will press initialize. Okay, it's saying that when the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, it's saying that please turn off the printer. I will unplug it. Okay, I unplugged it. We'll press OK here. The waste ink pad counter has been initialized properly. Turn on the printer and click check button to waste. So I will do what now? Turn back on again. Then we will make sure that the ink pad that was full before 100%, either it's resetted it or still 100%, and I'm pretty sure that it's now 0% below. Okay, now I will press on main pad counter. We'll check again. Okay, you can see the main pad counter is now 0%. I will press finish. Our problem is solved, and I will show you now there are no more error lights. Okay, you can see the printer is in ready state. There is no error light. Guys, the main thing, if you download this file, there is a one keygen. If the adjustment program is not working, so you have to run the keygen to activate the license for this adjustment program. I will make another video to give a tutorial about how to use this utility keygen. It's very easy, just need activation key. I will give the complete description in the way of use the keygen in the description. You can use it. Secondly, if you will unzip this file, the password for unzip is Epson space L3150. I will write it in the description also. So now I will check the printer quality. The print quality is fine or not. Before it was not printing because it was showing inkpad error. And for more information, you should know that the inkpad do not come became full until after 4,000 or 5,000 copies. So no need to worry about. Once it's resetted, and you can copy 4 to 5,000 pages. Okay guys, you can see it's working fine. Okay guys, there is no issue with the quality. The color quality is not good, but no problem, we can make a head clean to fix this issue. Hope you understand the method guys. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will reply your comments and reply your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and take care. Bye.